Good day, everyone. This is ThePandaPhotographer. You know me as KK Alexander. And this video is the redemption of the Neewer F100 film monitor, which is an IPS display. Now, the first one broke. I wasn't able to actually get a replacement, so Neewer actually ended up refunding me. But I ended up buying another one, and the process for that was very terrible. United States Postal Service actually refused to deliver this to a Brooklyn address that I was staying at before until I left. But you can see has my name on it. It Neewer product. But yeah, United States Postal Service refused to mail things to people's address in Brooklyn or in New York in general. And this has happened to me before in New York, because United States Postal Service just have very bad employees. And when someone puts in a request to get their package mailed for a second delivery attempt, United States Postal Service should provide that service. No matter where that person lives, or discrimination is the problem here. United States Postal Service is discriminating against a lot of people of color, of status. And I feel that that's pretty lame, because I was staying at a house, and the woman is telling me that, oh, the United States Postal Service would never ever deliver your package here. You will have to pick it up. Terrible. But here it is. The second Neewer F100 film monitor that I am actually going to unbox right here live for you guys. So let me sit on the ground really quickly here, and as you can see, it is a sealed product with this plastic. Here's the box. I want to know if you guys can see real close. Yeah, you guys can see it. Good. So, okay, I gotta rip these tabs. Tab 1. Tab 2. Alright. And we're gonna open. Open. Slide out really slow. Just move this plastic out the way. So here's the film monitor. Inside, once again, you get this Neewer VIP.com Neewer customer support. Neewer, I wish the support was that good, because I didn't receive it. So here's the manual. If you guys want to know the manual, here's the manual. All right. Here's a hood protector from sun rays or bright sunlights. Here is another HDMI cable, audio cables, HDMI bracket in the back here. I think you can see that. Can you guys see that? All these goodies, HDMI, audio, and this bracket. If you never watched any of my Neewer F100 videos, you need to watch them right now, because I did a full tutorial. Oh, and a new ball head. Great, because I needed a ball head. But I recommend buying something a little bit more stronger and more better build quality. These ball heads here tend to actually fall apart and break very easily. So this ball head breaks very easily. I definitely recommend buying a new one, much stronger and sturdy one for sure. And its protection hood, and kids, don't eat this, please don't eat this. And that's pretty much it. go to the monitor. Rip this open like a savage, because that's what we are. Humans, we are the savages of all. And here's the monitor. And looks like they gave me a half-ass one. Look at that. That one's already have the protection still peeled off. I wanted to keep it on. Is this used? Why has it got all types of like weird like scratches on it? Why does it have all these weird scratches on it? Wow. That is pretty lame. It's a scratch here, scratch there. The scratches on the protected film. Because when I received this, if you ever watched my first video of the F100 video, this was totally clean. Look at this. This looks like someone's been throwing this around, playing with it. Look, has a stitch number that says number C on it. What is going on? Let me make sure this is working. All right, guys, I'm gonna make sure this is working. So bear with me 1 second. Let me get a battery. Or let me try to find a battery. Where are my batteries? Where the hell are my batteries? Okay. Let's just make sure this is working, because this is very, very bad. Neewer, come on, guys. You don't expect your products before they leave your warehouse? Look at that. See that C stitch right there? You see that C? What is that? It's weird how all this wasn't there before when I first unboxed this product. Like the battery indicator and all this other stuff. And the film coming off. Now I have to take this off. Which I didn't want to do that. Thank you, Neewer, for fucking this up. No, excuse my French, but this is terrible. Like, I got scratches all over this damn thing. Terrible. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, it looks like someone was either testing this or using this for a little bit. So I didn't get a brand new one. Like it turns out I got a used one, because this one has tons of scratches right there. Scratches on the film, dirt, fingerprints all over. All right, but that's it. That's the unboxing of the F100. I'm not very impressed, so I think I'm going to actually call Neewer and let him know about this. So I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.